What's good, YouTube? Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing well. So this week I started trading with top tier, top one future, right? So I think last week I saw a video. There was a couple of influencers on the YouTube that I followed. They started, talking about this prop firm. So I decided to kind of check it out, right? Because I have been looking, to get into the instant funding route. I know it's a little bit more expensive and things, but I have been looking to get into that instant funding, just getting away from the combines, having to do them, things like that, right? So one of the main reasons why I haven't moved from Top Step or haven't really looked at the instant funded route is because of the platforms. Most of them are on Tradevate, and I really like the X platform, the Top Step X platform that Top Step had. So because of the trading view charts, right? So I was really used to that. Therefore, when I found out that Top One Futures had the actual X platform, right? Because it's a platform you could just, I think you just get a subscription based on whatever platform you are and start using them. So once I found out that they had that, I was like, okay, cool. That's good. That's a good sign right there for me as a trader. So then I started looking into the pricing, and they were running a 50% off for their launch, right? They're pretty new into the space. I saw some of the rules. I like some of the rules. It wasn't too expensive. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm going to wait till I get a payout from Top Step and then grab one of those accounts, right? So I could, I'm not using my work money and things like that to fund my futures trading, right? So I went ahead today. I finally received another payout from Top Step. I went ahead and got a 150K instant funded account. The price was about $500 because I had some add-ons on there. Without the add-ons I put, it was like it would have been $399, so $400. Which, when you think about it, if you buy 150K from Top Step and then you pay the 150 activation fee, that's $300 already. So I'll pay the extra $100 for instant funding, and that's if you are passing these combines in one try, right? Whatever. So I went ahead and got one. I want to show you guys the platform, because it's literally the same thing that Top Step uses. I want to show you guys a dashboard. They got the instant updates, so every trade you take actually updates on the dashboard. I want to show you guys that, and just show you guys. We're not really going to talk about the trade that I took today. It was a simple trade. I made about $800 on the day so far. So starting off pretty well on this account overall. And yeah, we're just going to keep grinding it out. They do have a 20% consistency rule. So I didn't go too crazy. I was like, all right, $800 is cool. So therefore, for the payout, I have to make about $4,500, right? And then I'll be able to take out the max takeout is 5,000, just like Top Step. They do have an option where it's like 14 days payout, or you could do instant payouts. You have to pay extra for that, which I did because I want to have that wiggle room, right? So I'm going to show you guys just the platform. I am going to make another video just reviewing everything about the prop firm, the rules and things like that on probably tomorrow. If I got time tomorrow afternoon, I'll try to make something really digging into the prop firm, right, to see if this is something again that we want to put our money towards. I don't want you guys to just jump out there, right? I am the test guinea pig, right? I'm gonna go ahead. I threw my money on the line. We'll see if I can get a payout. When I request a payout, we'll see if I actually get it. Things like that, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna jump on. I'm gonna show you guys what the platform looked like, how things are going so far, and then we'll go from there. All right, so looking at the platform here, right? So this is the X platform, like I said, just like Top Step, right? So looking at the platform here, you'll see a few differences, right? So they have this logo up here, which is their own logo, not the Top Step logo. You'll see the 150K instant. That's the one that I purchased today. And the same stuff, right? The drawdown on this account is 6,000, right? So you get a little bit more than you would get on Top Step. Top Step on 150K is about what, 4,500. So they already got the plus up on that for me, right? So very exciting. 6,000 in drawdown. I put my max lockout at 3,000. I don't know why I do that. Like I'm not gonna, I wouldn't let it get that bad because I know what happens once I've been through it, right? I know what happens once you get to that type of things, right? So I've just been trading. I traded 5 micros on this account. Took about 3 trades today. You guys could see. Boom, stopped out, break even, stopped out, break even, basically in profit. And then this last trade was a banger, right? So 3 trades on the day. I think I caught this move right here. This was my last trade right here. This was where I was supposed to trade, right? 920. I like, it was crazy. This shit came up here and like just zipped down right away. This was where I really wanted to trade this morning, right before open. But as soon as it tapped it on the 1 minute chart, that shit just like, it dumped right away. Like this candle came so fast, it was insane. It was like zoom, 1 minute right there. We're already down here. So I let that go. We played around and I caught this little long. We came back here, double tapped, double bottom on settlement price right here. And then I took the long to just about up here with 5 micros. And I was done for the day. So I really wanted the shorts, but once I missed that short and then I caught this long, I was cool. I would have definitely, if I didn't catch this long, I would have shorted right after that because I really wanted the shorts. But again, we're not here to really talk about my trades on the day. Just wanted to show you guys that they have the X platform, right? So this is the exact same TopStep X platform. I do have 150K with them. So very excited to start this. We're going to see how many green days we could get. Trying to get about five good days of about $800 just like this, so I could pull out a good little chunk. You don't have to, when you take out money out of this account, you don't have to leave a buffer. So I don't know, probably the first payout I'm gonna take everything that I can and then buy another account with it. We'll see. It depends how I feel. It depends how much profit I make on this. Maybe I'll have a few big days and then I'll have to make more money, things like that. You never know. But other than that, the other platform is the actual dashboard, right? So this is the actual top one dashboard. Let me just refresh this here for you guys. This updates right away, right? This updates right as you're trading, right? So just like the new TopStep X platform, it updates right as you're trading. So very, very, very nice. It even has a consistency rule thing there for you. So you don't have to do much calculation. I do have a calculator that I'm going to be using for this. So this is where the consistency rule comes into play. They have that 20%, but you know, we're just going to keep grinding it. There's when you do get an account, you do have to sign a contract before you're able to trade the account. So make sure you do that. You hit that, you sign that contract. They have a trading resources stuff. I think this is just news basically, just like TopStep does. Certificates. So even when you buy a instant funded account, you actually get a sim funded certificate with them. So you get this right here, which is pretty cool too. So just, yeah, another one to add to the wall, man. I'm just collecting these like little you know, like badges, right? I'm just collecting these joints. So yeah, sim funded thing right here. So overall, you know, this is the payout thing. Again, I don't know how this is gonna work yet. They do have a total payout certificate right here, and this shows you like your overall how much money you pulled out the account. But yeah, so this is the one account that I have with them. You hit go to metrics right here. Boom, boom, boom. You hit your credentials. You go ahead and log into their platform, and it's literally just like TopStep X, man. So really exciting for this version, this part of the journey, this account overall. I really hope this prop firm turns out to be good, man, because there's a lot of bad prop firms out there, and I've been looking for an instant funded prop firm for a while now, just so I don't have to keep going to the combines. And them having that 50% off was pretty cheap. I'm gonna drop my link below for the affiliate link. Of course, I'm gonna drop that below if you guys want to try them out with me. But again, not gonna say try them out, right? Wait till I do another video on them, or wait till I get a payout from them or something like that before you guys go out there, so we know that they are paying, right? Because the whole point of this is to pull money out of the market. So If they're not paying, we're not going over there, right? So I'm willing to try it and let you guys know how it goes. I am gonna make a full-on video on, you know, some of the rules for the prop firm, things like that. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna drop that pretty soon. I'll record that and drop that for you guys. But again, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thanks so much. Peace.